This is most commonly a Melco Embroidery File or an Adobe Font Metrics file. It serves as either a digital pattern for commercial stitching machines or a set of spacing rules for PostScript typography. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's get to work. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic, it's the result of knowing which single sophisticated OFM file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. The operating system recognizes the OFM file as being within the document file class. It is an optimized version of the Melco Embroidery File specification. The .ofm extension is a high-precision format utilized primarily by Melco DesignShop, embroidery, and Adobe Type Manager, typography. In the textile industry, it acts as a source project file that contains digitized stitch data, colors, and density settings for embroidery machines. In the design world, it serves as a metadata container that defines the character widths and kerning pairs required for PostScript fonts to render correctly on screen and in print. These files are governed by geometric mapping and typographic scaling protocols. Melco embroidery files utilize an object-based design rule that allows the user to scale a pattern without losing stitch density or quality, as the software recalculates the stitch count based on the new dimensions. Adobe Font Metrics follow a text-based coordinate system where every glyph is assigned specific numeric values for its bounding box, side bearings, and ligatures, ensuring that the printer and software agree on exactly how much space a letter occupies in a document. Melco DesignShop, developed by Melco, is often used as the source validator for OFM. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows can render a preview, but full functionality, like styling or layout, requires a document editor. Let's address the application conflict directly. Right-click your OFM file and choose Open With. Check for Melco DesignShop and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That is the simplest path to a solution. When your OFM file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the OFM format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, contextual identification. Distinguish the file by its environment. If it is found in a fonts folder or alongside a PFB file, it is an Adobe Font Metrics file. If it is located in a garment design folder or an embroidery project directory, it is a Melco embroidery file. You can open a font.ofm in a text editor to read the character metrics, but an embroidery.ofm is a binary file that will appear unreadable. Next, software and conversion. For embroidery patterns, use Melco DesignShop or the free Sans Computing Embroidery Viewer. To run this on a non-Melco machine, like Brother or Genome, you must save as or export the OFM to a machine-ready format like .est or .puz. For font metrics, no action is usually required, other than ensuring the file stays in the same folder as the actual font file, as the system uses it automatically for layout. Finally, asset recovery. If an embroidery file shows a density error or stitch limit warning, open the .ofm in DesignShop and use the Auto-Digitize or Regenerate tool to reset the object paths. If a font appears with incorrect spacing, letters overlapping, the .ofm file is likely missing or corrupted. Reinstalling the specific PostScript font package will replace the metrics file and restore proper character alignment. When your testing shows the OFM file is complex, it clearly needs dedicated decoding software. The right move is to deploy the final specialized tool built for situations like this. Time for the guaranteed solution, File Magic. It handles any OFM format you throw at it, available now at filemagic.com. This solution comes directly from my professional file integrity workflow. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.